Hey folks, you guys ever have a faucet shut-off valve or shut-off valve for like a toilet bowl that doesn't shut off no more because of the seal or the gasket party shot on that valve? And the valve is the type that is soldered on, comes out of the wall and it's soldered. So in order to replace that, you have to know how to solder, or you got to call a plumber. But you know what? SharkBite makes this valve. This valve, you remove your faucet hose off of the old valve, which is the brass craft one here. Insert the SharkBite one, okay, into that. Put your hose on top of that, and now you have a shut-off valve. All right, you might have to shut off the main water so that you don't get soaked unless you work really fast. All right, works out pretty good, right? So you didn't have to get a plumber to replace this valve. Just keep this valve in the open position, replace it with this one over here that adapts right there, and it works perfectly. All right, so the hose goes into the new valve, and the new valve goes into where the hose used to go. All right, so yeah, these valves, they get old, the rubber seals go bad, and then they don't seal no more. They don't shut off. But SharkBite makes this nice replacement. All done, easy peasy. Thanks for watching.